Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Okay, so I kind of got threatened. I gotta finish this video because we've been recording with these, and there's been like 2 or 3 vlogs that it gets really late and we don't finish. So this one, hopefully you'll see the ending. So we're cleaning up again. If I can, I'll show a little bit of what we're doing. But yeah, we're cleaning. We're gonna take this OBS to the scrap, but we got to pull a couple parts like the bed and maybe the rear end. I don't know, I'm not sure yet. There's a couple interior parts that still need to come out, but overall motor trans, all that's ready to go. Or actually there's no motor trans, so yeah. Cut to these, I'll be recording with these glasses, so yeah, let's get to it. All right, so we got all the bolts off. As you can see, they're all right here. There's not really somewhere to put the strap, so I just put it through the pocket right there, but it's ready to go. Actually, I had this bed sold a couple months back, but the guy's been really busy, so he hasn't had time to pick it up. But again, inlets are unbolted, ready to go. Hopefully there's no more grounds. Doesn't look like it, so let's see if the bed will lift up. Alright, so now that the bed is off, we gotta either drain the tanks or make a big ass hole in them. Or I don't know, but we gotta get rid of these or whatever gas is in there. So what I'm gonna do is see if the pumps will work. I know for sure the back one did, and I'm gonna try to get some containers and see if I can drain them. I don't know how much gas is in them, but for sure this one had some. I don't know about that one. Alright, so I think there's something wrong with the pump internally. I don't know, maybe the actual little motor inside came off. Kind of sounded like it, but I'm not gonna mess with all that right now. I gotta get this thing going. All right guys, got the gas drained out. It was about 4.5 gallons maybe. It still smells like good gas, so we may be able to use it. Now we're gonna pull off the tank. All right, there we go. I don't know if this is a OEM tank or not. Maybe it is, I don't know. I'll have to see if I can find markings. But oh well, it's for sale. It did not leak, as you saw, so it should be good. We're gonna throw the pump in there. I'm gonna sell it as tank only, so if they want to fix the pump, they can fix the pump. If not, then they can just leave it as is. Alright, wheels are off. Just gonna make a quick walk around. Oh, that's off. Ooh, starter. Hopefully I don't forget anything else. That's broken. Headlights broken. I think we should be alright. Let's go. Starter was working if anybody needs it. 30 bucks. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, we are ready. Alright guys, we are back. Truck is gone. Made another $2. Now what we're gonna do is go over there and mow and see if we can park another trailer beside that frame right there. Alright guys, I took a fat nap. So after I did that, man, I still need to clean up. There's a bunch of cement like balls over there, so I need to pick those up. I think I'm gonna just end up putting the tractor here, not the tractor, the trailer, and I need to get I have a go-kart in there, a go-kart frame, and somebody's coming from really far away to come get this thing. In one of the previous videos I was gonna make, I cleaned up a bunch of stuff and we filled up the trailer, and look at that, it's filled back up. So they're getting that go-kart. I don't know if you can really see it, but yeah, they're gonna pick that up. I need to get it out of here. That's why I need to park the trailer, and yeah, we need to get this thing out. So the what? Yeah, come on. All right. She wants to park the trailer. She's done it once. Pretty sure she can do it again. I have so much stuff I need to move, like all that. It's not even that much stuff, it just looks like a lot because it just spread out, but ah boy. Pretty sure I'm gonna end up scrapping everything. Alright, you can start turning it that way. Oops, hitting the light. You're good. Hi. Alright, get down. Come on, we gotta go get a go-kart. Alright, so here we go. As you can see, there's a whole lot of mess in here. I'm surprised we got the mower in here. That was heavy. This isn't as bad, we can just leave it here. Alright. It's off. Alright guys, so that's gonna be pretty much the end of this video. We got a couple things done, and it's 8. They're gonna pick up this thing in about an hour, so hopefully they don't flake. They're coming from like 2.5 hours away. I know it's worth a little bit more, but I was gonna scrap it, so you know, about $5 I was gonna make it scrap. $100 I let it go for. I mean, you know, yeah. I really appreciate y'all for watching, guys. I made it to my little 3,000 hours. We're going for the 4th, hopefully soon. So again, appreciate y'all for watching, guys. Remember, like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I will catch you on the next one. Peace.